be making withdrawal on this app, and this withdrawal is going to last for 1 hour, and I'm going to be withdraw with my mobile money. Okay, this app is available worldwide. You can see the name of this app is Purple Life. If you don't know about Purple Life is a live streaming app and also a party where you can go live, go party, and receive reward. And there is a lot of activities you can do on the app in order for you to increase your earning. If you don't know about this app, comment on the comment section below. If you don't know about this app, I can make video, which I've already made video about that, but you can actually go to my old video and go through it. Okay, it's an audio and live streaming. The app is okay, but it depends on how you use your own. Okay, so now I'm going to be making my withdrawal here, and I'm going to be withdrawing my money on my mobile money here, and it's going to last for just 1 hour. They're going to tell you that it lasts for 24 hours, but trust me, this is not going to last for 24 hours, just 1 hour. Sometimes it lasts a minute. It depends on maybe it depends on the holidays time or something like that. Okay, so now disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I don't guarantee that you will earn. Always make sure you do your own research before downloading any online app mentioned on this video. Okay, when you log in on this Purple Live, this is how you're going to be seeing the interview, people that is doing live and all of that. Okay, so now if you don't know how to withdraw money on Purple Live, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because this is actually a live withdrawal. I wanted to use 20k to do something today. That is why I'm making this withdrawal. Okay, this is actually the people that are doing PK and people that are doing live streaming on this app, and this is how you're going to be seeing their party. I've teach about this app before, so this is their party. If you want to open your own party, is okay, and if you don't want to open your own party, if you want to do your own, you just make sure you look for your country. All the countries available: Saudi Arabia, United States, Nigeria. All the countries available on this app. And this app is actually a popular live streaming app. Okay, so and the withdrawal is very very fast. Like in the term of withdrawal, like in term of withdrawing money, I can tell you that Popo is perfect. Yeah, let me show you how to withdraw. Now I need to click on my profile. You're going to see they're going to take me this place. I have 205 point. Okay, so because they use point, and point is actually the money. They, as you can see, if you're an agent, you can actually receive commission when you are doing your exchange on Purple. Now this is, you can see commission, you can see party, you can see live stream. Okay, as you can see, I want to go ahead and select mobile money. I want to use team money because I'm in Togo right now. I'm going to be using this team money to withdraw. I'm not going to be go with USDT. So I'm going to go with this team money because I need this money cash. Okay, I need to click on withdraw. I need to put out $20 because the minimum I can withdraw from this mobile money is actually $20. So I need to put it there and put on my password. I'm going to be covering because this is actually my password on Purple. Okay, so you're going to see withdrawal submitted. Then you need to check the details. So now you're going to be seeing the ID, which I'm going to be covering some information here because it's actually my security purpose. Okay, so you can see the name, my withdrawal and everything. So as you can see, I withdraw $20, and what they actually going to be paying me is $18.4, and that is equivalent of um 9,700 safer here in Togo. So for now, for exchange, I don't know how much it is in Naira now, but this is the actual amount here in Togo. So you can see that I have withdrawn. If I check my points, you're going to notice that my points have left from 200 to 5,000. You know, the 10,000 points is actually $1. As you can see, you have been internet with withdrawal request, and the system is reviewing it. And once it is done reviewing it, they're going to be automatically sending you the money, and I need to wait. Okay, now you can see, let me just check the detail and show you guys. Now you can see the withdrawal is on the process for me to, I need to wait. Okay, I'm actually waiting. Now I need to come back and check if my withdrawal has arrived, because I know that they tell me 24 hours, but I know that it's not going to last 24 hours. Okay, so now it actually lasted 1 hour for that $20 to arrive on my account. Now you can see that the payment have been confirmed and they have sent that 1,007 on my account. You can see that they have paid me on my local currency, and actually when they send that money, they actually screenshot it and tell me that they have sent the money, that is a 9,007. Okay, so now I need to come back to my mobile money. This is actually my mobile money here in Togo. So I started to cross check my balance here. So I know that I don't have any balance there because I'm going to be meeting 9,007. So I started to open it, and as you can see 9,700 safer here. Okay, so I just want to prove you guys that it is red. Thank you so much. Bye.